Today's story is What Do You Say, Little Blue Truck? Little Blue Truck is taking a ride. He sees some friends in the countryside. Blue says beep as he's passing by. How do Little Blue's friends say hi? Little Blue Truck sees Pig today. Beep, says Blue in a friendly way. Does Pig say beep like Little Blue? No, Pig says oink as all pigs do. Who's in the meadow? It's a woolly sheep. Blue drives by with a friendly beep. Does sheep say beep like Little Blue? No, sheep says baa as all sheeps do. Hen's in the garden, scratching around. She hears Blue's beep and she knows that sound. Does Hen say beep like Little Blue? No, Hen says cluck, cluck, cluck as all hens do. Who's in the pond? It's Blue's friend Duck. She hears a beep from Little Blue Truck. Does Duck say beep like Little Blue? No, Duck says quack as all ducks do. Goat jumps over a bale of hay when he hears Blue's friendly beep today. Does Goat say beep like Little Blue? No, Goat says meh as all goats do. Blue sees Horse by the big barn door. Beep, says Blue as he did before. Does Horse say beep like Little Blue? No, Horse says neigh as horses do. Cow looks out of a field of corn when she hears Beep's Little Blue horn. Does Cow say beep like Little Blue? No, Cow says moo as all cows do. Blue sees many good friends today. They all say hi in their very own way. There's Pig. There's Sheep. There's Hen. There's Duck. Here's Goat. Here's Horse. And here's Cow. Beep, beep, says Little Blue. And with that, we're at the end.